Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. I'm your Prajesh again. In this video today, I'd like to talk about the new upcoming 7-seat SUV from Hyundai known as the Alcazar. This new Hyundai Alcazar is essentially a 7-seat version of the already best-selling Creta, which will compete against the likes of the brand new Tata Safari, the MG Hector Plus, and the new upcoming Mahindra XUV 500. Just like the Tata Harrier and the Safari, the new Alcazar will carry forward a lot of design elements from the existing Hyundai Creta. Both these cars are expected to share the very same headlamps, while the front grille on the Alcazar will receive a different treatment so as to differentiate from the 5-seat Creta. The Alcazar will also receive different design 18-inch alloy wheels, while the body shell itself is likely to remain the same as the Creta till the B-pillar. While the Alcazar will carry forward the very same silver finished lightning arch design elements starting from the A-pillar extending all the way up to the C-pillar, it is after the C-pillar that this new Alcazar will be receiving an elongated overhang due to the extension of the body to integrate the extra row of seats. It is also likely that the new Alcazar will receive a wraparound effect for the rear windshield with a glossy black treatment for the D-pillar. The rear fascia, however, is expected to be completely different to that seen on the Hyundai Creta and will receive larger tail lamps with the number plate housing right at the center of the tailgate. This new 7-seat Hyundai Creta will also receive longer roof rails along with the shark fin antenna and also the massive panoramic sunroof seen on the existing Creta. Talking about the interior, the new Alcazar will carry forward the exact same dashboard design and interior layout as seen on the Hyundai Creta, along with all the features including ventilated seats, a fully digital instrument cluster, and the massive 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Apart from all this, the new Alcazar will also come with a 6-seat option with captain chairs for the second row, which will be getting a unique looking center console running right between the two second row passengers, unlike any other 6-seater in this category. And it is also likely that the new Alcazar will feature ventilated seats for the second row captain chairs as well. 7-seat version, on the other hand, will feature a regular 3-seat bench with a foldable center armrest with a standard 60-40 split folding and sliding function. The third row seats, while not expected to be hugely spacious, will provide sufficient room for children while also providing proper adjustable headrests and 50-50 split folding function. While features like 360-degree surround view camera and blind spot monitoring could be borrowed from the Kia Seltos. Standard safety features on the new Hyundai Alcazar could include all-wheel disc brakes, ABS with EBD, dual airbags, ISOFIX child seat mounts, ESP traction control with hill hold, remote keyless entry and reverse parking sensors. While the top spec variants of the new Alcazar could include 6 airbags, a 360-degree surround view camera and hill descent control. Powertrain options could also be borrowed from the Hyundai Creta, which include the very same 1.4-litre 4-cylinder turbocharged GDI engine and the very same 1.5-litre CRDI 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, of which both engine options will be offered with a manual and an automatic transmission option. This new Hyundai Alcazar, which is essentially a 7-seat version of the Hyundai Creta, is expected to be launched by the month of June this year with an expected pricing of Rs 1 lakh more than the Hyundai Cretas, making it a proper rival for the MG Hector Plus and the Mahindra XUV 500. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this new 7-seat version of the Hyundai Creta. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you in another video. Thank you for watching.